Hey, good morning everybody. Got this great 383 Chevy stroker here. This one's got some gorgeous, nice Chevy aluminum valve covers on it. As usual, we got our nice Holly 750 on here with an electric choke, all dialed in. Just got done dyno, making some dyno passes. This one happens to have a March kit on it with an alternator power steering. Again, we custom build all of our engines in-house. You get to choose the color wires, choose the paint, oil pan that needed, valve covers. There's a lot of things we can do with these engines. That's why we custom build them. This is not something you buy off the shelf. This one has your name card next to it, and we take pictures to show you pictures and a beautiful dyno run. Again, nothing leaves here until it's done and operating properly. So, if you're looking for one of these great pieces, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Enjoy the video.